50% loss in history.
It was the biggest drop since '87. Friday.
I don't try to predict markets, or I don't try to predict business. I just try to.
How to make market makers work for you. Stock trading secrets. That's how they manipulate the market. But here's the thing. What if you could flip the script and make them work for you? Market makers control a massive portion of the market. But what if I told you there's a way to outsmart them and use their own tactics to your advantage? Look at this, confusing, right? It's designed to throw you off. But this is where you flip the script. Right here, you can turn the tide. Market makers create chaos. They spike the prices, they drop them, they give you that feeling of uncertainty, like you don't belong in this game. You gesture toward the camera. Guess what? That's exactly what they want you to think. But here's the catch. You can play their game and win. Ever seen this dip and freaked out? You're not alone. Most people panic here. But here's what's really going on. The big players want you to sell during this moment. But what if you don't sell? What if this moment is the opportunity to scoop up shares at a discounted price? Here's a prime example. In 2020, when the markets crashed, people were panicking. But the smart money was buying in. The market makers set up this whole illusion to make people sell at the bottom. We are in a similar situation now. That is why a few days ago, I posted a video called Buy the Dip. Lights dim again. You stand in front of a black screen with the words, "Flip the script," written in bold letters. That's the big reveal. They made you believe that falling prices were a death sentence, but in reality, they were giving you a discount on high-quality stocks. But what if I told you that when market makers want you to panic, that's when you should be doing the opposite? Don't follow the herd. Use that opportunity to grab undervalued assets and flip the script. You start pacing, really drawing the viewer in with your energy. You see, the moment you start thinking like them, understanding how they play the game, you can turn these waves in your favor. Here's the trick. Anticipate their moves. Don't react to them. Be one step ahead. Look at this move right here. Market makers push the price down, get the retail traders to sell, then, bam, the price goes right back up. Do you see it? That's the sweet spot. If you can anticipate the move, then you're already in the game, and they don't even know you're playing. Now, how do you outsmart these guys? You need tools, the right data, the right mindset, tools like level 2 quotes, time and sales data, but also you need patience. Here's the problem most traders face. They don't know when to act. They hesitate at the critical moments. You can't be afraid to pull the trigger at the right time. And most importantly, you can't follow the herd. Let's talk real strategy now. Imagine you've spotted a major player making their move. What do? You buy the scoop they leave behind. But don't just buy in blindly. Study the signs. You stand in front of a new set of charts, one that shows a sharp recovery after a dip. Take this chart, for example. Notice the sudden bounce back right after the dip. Market makers want to shake out weak hands, get you scared, then they take control and run it back up. Here's the kicker. What if you become the market maker? What if you set up your own strategy to trap the trapper? The idea is simple. You study the market makers, learn their patterns, and become the one doing the shaking. So, when the market hits that dip, you're ready to grab those shares before the next rise. Warren Buffett and several other fund managers did it during the 2008 crisis, and he came out of it with billions. He understood the market makers. He played the game on his terms. But here's where it gets interesting. What do you think happens when everyone's too scared to buy at the dip? Is it the best time to buy or to wait for the market to crash harder? Stay tuned, because we're about to break down the most important strategy you need to master if you want to make market makers work for you. Comment below. Have you ever felt like your broker was playing against you? Share your experiences. Like this video if you want more deep dives into trading secrets. Subscribe to Taube Rich Formulas so you never miss out on game-changing trading insights. Turn on notifications because next time I'm revealing how to flip the script and make market makers work for you.